I'd like to ask you a whole bunch of questions about pumps used in the offshore arena. To start with, what are some of the typical requirements from end users?
So the oil and gas industry demands for very good, well-engineered and reliable products, and not on the product itself, even to the suppliers.
Okay, so question number 2. What exactly is meant by gas locking?
Gas locking is a situation where a gas bubble stay in a pump, and this should be avoided because on the process the gas should be forwarded from A to B.
And what's meant by low shear?
Low shear is a situation which should be avoided because on separation processes where you, for example, want to separate oil from water, the customers are looking for pump solutions with low shear effect.
So when and why is a low NPSH important?
NPSH is a situation where you want to lift usually liquids from lower levels, so you want to lift it, and NPSH is an indicator of a situation on site as well as a capability of the pumps.
And what about viscosity? Is that an important issue offshore?
For sure, the applications are very different, from very low viscosity ranges like condensates up to very high viscosities of crude oils and dewatered oil sludge cakes, for example.
So here's my 6th and final question. I know your field of expertise is the progressive cavity pump. So what are some of the typical applications for this pump type?
Typical applications for progressive cavity pumps are drainage applications or separation of oil and gas and water mixtures, condensates, multi-phase liquids with gases, or drilling muds in up and downstream processes.